Hello guys, welcome to the RS channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about uh boom and crash spike catching strategy. Okay, so with this strategy you are not going to be aiming for just one spike, but you are going to be aiming for multiple spike. Okay, so this give you an edge in the market, and this give you a better trade, a better chance to win more in the market. Okay, so I can see with this strategy, if you have a $5 account, then with this strategy you can turn your $5 account into $30, $40 use with just one trade using this strategy. Okay, so this is why you want to make sure that you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any opportunity, and also make sure you follow the rules that I going to be showing you guys on this video. Okay, this video. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I posting strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, so we are on our road to hit 5K subscribers. So please do me a favor by make sure to subscribe. Okay, so that being said, let's dive into the strategy. Okay, so firstly, let me show you guys the settings for the strategy, and then we dive into how you can use the strategy. Okay, so what you want to do, just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on the icon, it's going to direct you to where you are going to add your indicator up. Now what you want to do is just to click on this icon you are seeing right here. So once you click on this icon, the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the RSI. So we scroll down, search for RSI, then we click on it. Now for the RSI, the period is 5, the apply to close, and for the levels we need the 10 and the 90 levels. Okay, so use any color of your choice for your levels, and then click on save. Once you do that, and you're going to have your RSI in your chart. So that is the first indicator we are going to be adding to this to our chart. Okay, now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the envelope. So how do we add this up? We click on this F icon again, we scroll down, search for our envelope, and then click on it, which you can see right here. So click on the envelope, and this is the properties for the envelope. The period is 14, shift is 1, the deviation is 0.2, and method is simple, apply to close. And for the upper and the lower band, use a color of your choice, and then click on save. Once you do that, and you're going to have your envelope in your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator. So the indicator we're going to move on is going to be the last indicator we are going to be adding, and the last indicator we are going to be adding does not necessarily, because what we want is already in this envelope lines. Okay, so let me scroll down to the chart, and then show you guys how effective the strategy is. Now we want to pay attention to just simple things. That is what we want to pay attention to. Now before I dive into how you can use the strategy, please I want you guys to let you know that we have a premium strategy course which is going to help you, teach you how you can become a better trader and become a profitable trader. And we also have a mentorship tutorial, a live mentorship tutorial we did with one of our students, and the record is here with us. You can just get the record at affordable price. So contact the number you're seeing at the screen, or check the link down in the description below, and you are going to have our contact right there. You can contact us on WhatsApp, or you can contact us on Telegram. So with that being said, so let's proceed. Now with this strategy, this what you want to have in mind is that you want to be catching spike. Now you are not just aiming for one spike, you are aiming for multiple spike. Okay, so now how do you now take a trade with this strategy? Remember what I've already told you guys. I told you guys that the 90 level stands for our oversold level. Okay, so which means that we are catching spike, and on crash we're going to be looking to trade at these 90 levels. That is where we are going to be looking to trade. And for boom, we are going to be trading on these 10 levels right here, which means that we are going to be buying on boom. Okay, so here we are on crash, which you can clearly see it right here, and we are going to be looking to sell. Okay, now watch this right here. And whenever you see the price, whenever you see the envelope come straight to the 90 levels of the RSI, what can you see? Now you can clearly see that the price do what give you a spike. Simple and straightforward, guys. Now let's scroll. Okay, you can see we have multiple touches right here. Now whenever you see the price come and touch these 90 levels right here, when you come and touch these 90 levels, it's what it give you a spike. It give you a spike. You can clearly see it right here. It's very simple and it's very effective strategy. So it's very simple and very straightforward. Whenever you see the envelope line come and touch the 90 levels of the RSI right here, then your expectation to be where are you going to enter your trade. Now I'm going to give you guys a simple tricks on how you can enter your trade. Okay, because some of you might be wonder, is it when it touch that you are going to enter your trade? Now when it touch is when the envelope line touch the 90 levels, when you are going to enter your trade. Now to give you a more edge in the market is, you are going to, now after you see the envelope line come and touch the 90 levels, then you look for the closest support area. You look for the closest resistance area. Sorry, we are on crash, so you look for closest resistance area. Now when you look for the closest resistance area, then you are going to now enter a trade at the closest resistance area. Now if I drag this line out, you can see that our closest resistance area is all this area right here. You can see we have one right here and we have another one right here. So this is the closest resistance area. Okay, so now whenever you are now see the price now come to this area, then you are now going to be entering trade at the closest resistance area, which you can clearly see right here. So let me drag this down so you guys can see it more clearly. And before I proceed, let's add the last indicator up. So we are going to be adding the last indicator up, which is going to be the moving average. So to click on this icon right here, which you can see, click on this icon and then add your moving average, which you can see it right here. So click on the moving average and this is the parameters. The period is 8, shift is 1, method is simple, apply to close, and for the style, using the color of your choice and click on save. So that is the last indicator we are going to be adding on this strategy. Okay, now based on what I'm showing you guys, based on what I'm explaining, okay, so let me find that area out. Okay, so so without wasting much of our time, now let's just pick one area, then we are going to be proceed. Okay, so let's pick one area, then so this is what we are talking about. Now let's say you want to enter a trade at this area. Okay, that is where you want to enter your trade. Now if you want to enter your trade, now first thing you want to note is that now the price, the envelope line is already touch the 90 levels. Now you are now going to look for the closest resistance area on crash. You are going to look for closest resistance area. So at this closest resistance area, that is where you are going to enter your trade from. You enter your trades, and your hope is that whenever the price gets right here, it will surely give you a spike. It will surely give you what? A spike. So you enter right here, and then you should be expecting to catch your spike. And what can you see right here? When the price now touch this area right here, it's what? It starts spiking to the downside. So as simple as that. So that is what you are going to be looking for. Just want to trade at the resistance area. Okay, as the resistance area, then you enter for yourself and wait for the market to give you a spike. Now let's go to boom. So I also show that I'll show you guys a trade here on boom indices. Okay, so let's go to boom 1000 to show you guys how effective the strategy is on boom as well. So you can see whenever you see the line come and touch the 10 levels here on boom, then it will surely give you what? A spike. As simple as that. You're not just catching one spike, you're catching multiple spike with this strategy. Okay, so spike with this strategy, as simple as that, guys. Whenever it's come and it's come and touch 10 levels, it will surely give you what? It surely give you a spike, not just one spike but multiple spike. As simple as that, guys. So I don't want this video to take too long, so you just want to make sure that you use this strategy effectively and then catch your spike. As simple as that. So I hope you guys find this video helpful right here. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.